Ethereum ETH versus Binance Coin BNB, price prediction 2021. Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to Daily Business. In today's video we're going to talk about Ethereum versus Binance Coin, price prediction 2021. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our videos. Ethereum price predictions trading view analysis. According to Rhoda Brainless, ETH is currently a logarithmic ascending channel with the main range between $1,900 and $1,888. This would be the most low risk for long-term investors. Also, they claim that Ethereum might break out of the channel. However, Ethereum also has an optimal solution on landing close to the 2000 EAM's price action line. We know that Ethereum and Bitcoin tend to move in tandem, so let's pay attention to their relationship and how they behave. We are currently in a range that is seen in the chart. In his words, it's never a good idea to open a position when the price is mid-range. This is because the stop loss is large. For the best results, wait for the currency to be near the lower higher borders. We could open the stop loss without a range away, but not far. In that case, our stop loss would be safeguard our capital and position. The ETH to USDT analysis predicts continued sharp price movements in the virtual currency bearish. The price could climb up to $1,888 per coin per the industry expert if the bearish trend continues. Taking a long position might then be a reasonable time. After he describes it, it would be an excellent time to buy the virtual currency for a longer time frame. The market could continue with the zigzag that it has experienced or proceed with the general trend. The rising wedge is what the analysis predicts Ethereum will break out of. Thus, Ethereum now has two possible scenarios. Retest the broken level and bounce to $4,140 or $4,400 per coin. Alternatively, no one could fail to break the above the wedge and return to it. Bears can, if they wish, reject ETH in the rising wedge or even below one more time. Also, track volume how it affects the virtual currency's price. The experts observe that the price is trending with a clear bullish incline. If the market remains bullish, the channel could continue throughout the year. According to the analyst, the RSI is also diverging negatively. Therefore, the optimal time to buy Ethereum is found by tracking the trend channel, currently around $2,050 per coin. Based on the specialists, it is conceivable to descend and ascend this channel. By November, Ethereum could have breached $3,000 per coin. As he claims, profitable trading is possible with patience. Bitcoin price prediction, trading view analysis. For Bitcoin analysts, the virtual currency has seen different supports and resistance levels that have broken recently. As a result, Bitcoin has once again reached its previous starting point. He further shows in the chart that Bitcoin has fallen below the green image cloud for the fourth time frame, which is a vulnerability for Bitcoin. Also, consider the possibility that BTC could move lower in the days ahead. According to the analyst, the current stop loss has not been modified. Therefore, $30,000 and $40,800 are crucial market levels for the most prominent digital assets. Some analysts predict that Bitcoin could go back to its support level around $23,300. However, if the current trend does not continue, this will happen. We'll see $49,700 per coin if the digital asset moves above the bullish zone, currently around $37,000. A stop loss could be close to $35,000 US, and if we break below that level, we will be bearish in territory. She began by saying, "What goes up must come down." The trend is now bearish and may continue this way for some time. He is bearish on Bitcoin and predicts it will continue to go down in the coming days. Moving into the buy side, the price gets closer to $20,000. The analyst is bearish on Bitcoin right now and is concentrating on selling side investment areas. Still, some intraday traders who are looking for good setups might find it advantageous in this situation. The analyst sees that Bitcoin is currently trading inside a steep triple parallel channel. See chart shared by the expert. According to him, when Bitcoin hit the lower bound of the second green channel, a price rebound occurred and Bitcoin hit a new local high. He also said that if history repeats itself, Bitcoin will reach $60,000 and surpass it, finally reaching a new all-time high. The resistance level is at $59,500 and the support level is $57,535 per coin. In the short term, the analyst is bearish on Bitcoin. The virtual currency is expected to fall until it reaches $30,300. These figures shared by the analysts include $51,200, $49,000, $40,500, and $30,300. This would happen if Bitcoin reached $37,000 and then fell to 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. We could go down to $30,000 per coin to find the analyst's current low point. Alejandro de la Torre, vice president of Poland, offers a modest prediction of between $5,000 and $14,000 by the end of the year. Arthur Hayes, CEO of BitMEX, sees Bitcoin revisiting the all-time high of $20,000 and even breaking through an inflation and the store of value narrative takes hold. However, we should revert to the bear territory. Its price will be around $3,000. Alex Mashinsky, CEO of Celsius, sees the price of Bitcoin going above $25,000 a few months after halving. Having been named the best performing asset of the last decade, the CEO sees no reason why Bitcoin will dominate the next one. Ivan on Tech, a YouTube influencer, sees Bitcoin achieving a minimum of $3,400 and a maximum of $200,000. Hey, anything is possible in crypto. Nicholas Merton, the founder of DataDash, a YouTube channel, sees Bitcoin achieving a minimum of at least $16,000 and a maximum of $24,000 by the end of 2020. He cites having increases of institutional investors and Plus Token finishing selling its BTC and ETH as the chief drivers. Nicholas Nicolajason, the founder and chairman of Bitcoin SUSE AG, believes no one can accurately predict the price of Bitcoin. However, 2020 will be like 2016, where we see a positive trend in being the price could get close to the all-time high. With that in mind, the maximum of the year is 17,000 and the minimum is 5,900. Nicholas Martin considers that it may be possible for Bitcoin to eventually hit $200,000 per coin. There are many analysts that believe that Bitcoin could reach new highs in the future. Indeed, an anonymous analyst considers that Bitcoin could surge up to $500,000. Experts Ethereum price predictions. Ethereum thinks that 2020 will be a remarkable year for the crypto market. Due to the popularity to see dApps this year, the price could reach $1,600 by the end of the year. They see ETH rising by $900 by the end of 2020 with an average of $650. The crypto prediction site CoinCurve predicts that Ethereum could go over $1,400 by the end of 2020. Despite this, in 2020 it could be $450. Schuster, the founder of Ark Capital LLC, sees ETH's prices rising in the long term. He predicts that by the year 2020, cryptocurrency will surpass gold in price. Tu Long FX, a Forex trader, predicts that Ethereum could hit $1,365 by the end of the year. According to the respected trader Pre-Risk, Ethereum could be priced $320 by the end of the year. Realistic to more unrealistic prediction, Nigel Green, CEO of Defi Group, believes Ethereum will finish the year at $2,500. For him, the price growth is due to smart contracts, increased crypto demand, and the decentralization of cloud computing.
We are very overbought actually. We may pop a little bit higher, get a higher high, but then on the RSI and on the MACD, this could actually be a lower high. So this could be a double bearish divergence. So you need to be very careful about going to a trade.
Experts Bitcoin price prediction. As Blockstream CEO Adam Back explained, Bitcoin could surpass its all-time high of $20,000 by the end of 2020. After that, he thinks it could reach $100,000. $100,000 has been targeted Bitcoin price target numerous times in the past. However, some experts believe that Bitcoin will get $50 with the halving event in 2020. CZ, better known as CZ, CEO of Binance, sees the industry growing in the long term, raising the price. In addition, increasing interest from institutional players predicts a bullish market in 2020. Paulo Arduino, the CTO of BitFitNex, does not believe that Bitcoin will be able to fall below $6,000 by the time the halving event takes place. Instead, he sees the price end at the day at $20,000 or higher. Mark P. Vinegar, a fintech investor, predicts the price of Bitcoin will range between $55,000 and $22,000 by the end of 2020. The inflow of institutional funds in the upcoming halving are critical factors. Nonetheless, Tim Draper remains optimistic about Bitcoin's price jump thanks to the upcoming Bitcoin halving. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any amazing video from us.